There's a way to troubleshoot output from Nano Banana Pro that you might not know about. I want to take a few minutes to walk you through it, save you some time, and get you better output. First of all, if you don't know what Nano Banana Pro is, it is Google Gemini 3's new image model. So this is just the regular Google Gemini app. And let me show you a couple examples. Okay, so this is an image that I created for an earlier video. This is using just regular Nano Banana, not the new one, that's just regular Nano Banana. And just take note of what this looks like here. Nothing special, right? So now, where is it? There. Okay, so this is an image that I use Nano Banana Pro. And I'll go backwards slightly. So Nano Banana Pro is an image model and a reasoning model. And I'll skip all the tech jargon that goes with that. But what it basically means is that Nano Banana Pro has a process that it does behind the scenes that will help it work through complex instructions. The positive with that is that it actually has a process to show you what that is, so that if you don't get what you want, it can help you troubleshoot. So if you remember the other image from just Nano Banana, it just had words here. This one from Nano Banana Pro actually has a show thinking, and I can click on this. So this is what it's actually doing behind the scenes to figure out how to get what I want. And this was basically just me asking it to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is, you use it for YouTube Shorts and some other platforms. But this one, it did it fine, but let's say that it didn't. Let's say that the output on this one was 16:9, right? I can come in here now and I can expand show thinking, and then I can read through what it actually did to get that final image, and focusing on adapting the original image, okay, and then adjusting perspective, and then I'm working translate. Let's say that this said 16:9. I can look at this now and see it and like, hey, wait, that's supposed to be 9:16. And then I can now send a follow-up prompt that says, try again. This time, when you get to your adjusting perspective step, make sure that it's 9:16, not 16:9. And then ideally, it'll give you what you're looking for. But again, this isn't here. Again, I'll go back to the other one. Oh, where are you? Here. Yeah. This doesn't have show thinking. I can't click on this. I can't do anything with this. So where are you? There. So again, I can click on this and I can go through it. So keep that in mind. Like when you use Nano Banana Pro, it works really well. It's kind of scary good, but it's not perfect. And I've had different things where it didn't give me what I wanted, and I can go back through here, and this has helped save me a ton of time. And I can just go through and I get very specific with like, hey, in this step in your thinking process, you did X, I want you to do Y. Do that and try it again. And it's worked really well. So if you don't get what you want, give that a try. Let me know how it works. That's it. See you next time. Goodbye.